Hi, welcome to this Argos product installation guide. Before buying any Wallfix safety gate, always measure the gap in which you intend to position the gate. This particular gate is extendable and fits openings of between 62.5cm and 106.8cm. All safety gates at Argos are suitable for children up to 24 months. If you're fitting the gate at the top of the stairs, it is important to locate on the very top stair, ensuring it opens inwards towards the landing. This will prevent anyone accidentally falling. If you're fitting the gate at the bottom of the stairs, you should always locate on the lowest stair with the gate opening away from the staircase. Start by laying out each of the parts and check them against the supplied instructions. You may also need a spanner, screwdriver, pencil, tape measure and drill, depending on the location of the gate. Please follow the instructions carefully, as incorrect installation can be dangerous. With this gate, using the supplied template, carefully position and attach the wall fixings. You do this by cutting the template in half. Template A should be used for the latch side of the gate, with template B being used for the hinge side of the gate. Carefully align the template with your opening, with the end positioned on the floor, and mark the fixing points. Safety gates open in both directions, but if you'd prefer it to open one way, you should fit the stop pin at this point. Now remove the templates and secure the fixings to the opening with the screws provided, ensuring they are aligned correctly. If you intend to secure to any other surface other than wood, then appropriate wall fixings may be required. If you are fitting an extending gate, such as this one, align the two panels according to the size of the opening, leaving no more than a 58mm gap at either end. When you're happy with the size, secure the panels together using the screws provided, as stated in your instruction manual. If your gate is non-extending, then you will only need to align the panel within the opening. Now add the spindles to each corner. Please refer once again to your instructions as to which spindles should be used for the hinge side and which should be used for the latch side. These will be adjusted later when you fit the gate into position. Hang the gate on the hinges and adjust the spindles until the gate lines up with the latch. Finally, insert the easy release safety cap over the top hinge to secure the gate in position. Please ensure that you test the gate regularly for security and stability, and always check that it's locked when in use. Children must be supervised at all times. Argos on your mobile, tablet, online and in store.